Morning YouTube world, Corvette'S here. This morning I thought I would clean my engine bay on my Vette because it's really gross. I haven't done it in like 8 months. I stopped by the auto parts store. I got some of this. It was really cheap. And some little brushes. And I've watched enough videos on, what's his name, Chris Fix, and he has a really cool tutorial on doing an engine bay clean. So yeah, that's right. Okay, so reading the directions here, pretty much we're going to shake it. We're going to apply liberally. Watch out for wires. Engine's dry, it's cool. And yeah, and any bad areas we're going to agitate with a brush or small detail brush. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then lightly wash it. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, it's been about 12 minutes. Go ahead and rinse it off and see what we got. So yeah, there we go. Pretty effortless for about $6 and about 15 minutes of your time. Not too bad. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, and a quick update. My plate is still there after about 4,000 miles-ish. Please don't steal my identity. So, sorry Scotty. I know you say don't do this. If my engine blows up, I'll let you guys know. Later.